Hello friends, this video is all about ICSE Semester 1 English Language Examination, and that will be held in the month of November 2021, and it will be online mode. So here is the MCQ sample paper issued by the ICSE board. So let's solve them. So let's begin. So here you can see ICSE Semester 1 Examination Specimen Question Paper English Language English Paper 1, and the maximum marks is for 40 marks, and time allotted or allowed is 1 hour, and it is inclusive of reading time. That means within 1 hour you have to solve the entire English language paper. So here instruction says all questions are compulsory, and the marks intended for questions are given in brackets. So later on you will notice the marks given in the bracket. So here select the correct option for each of the following questions. So options are given there. You have to select the correct options. So let's begin with question 1. So question 1, here comprehension is given to you. So you have to read the entire comprehension carefully, and then at last questions are given with the options. So whichever option will be correct, you select them. So here you have to read the entire passage. Okay, so now let's see the question. So A, for each word given below, choose the correct meaning as used in the passage from the options provided. So word is tenderness, and options are given as affection, soreness, youthfulness. So the correct option is First one. So first one is affection. Second one, explanation. The word meaning will be, options are an excuse or pretext, a statement or account that makes something clear. Third, a long-winded speech. So the correct option is number 2. That is a statement or account that makes something clear. Next, third word is vigorous. So what is the meaning of vigorous? So options are strong, healthy and full of energy. Second, manipulating and meandering. And third, timorous. So the correct option is first one, that is strong, healthy and full of energy. Question B. Why did the author feel that plants loved grandfather with as much tenderness as he loved them? And options are, first, he saw the tendril of a creeping vine move very slowly towards grandfather and cross the veranda step to touch grandfather's feet. Second option, because the creeper moved as they sat there in the soft sunshine of a North Indian winter, it was something to do with light and warmth. And third option is, he saw the tendril of a creeping vine moving very slowly towards him, crossing the veranda step to touch the author's feet. So the correct option will be, so the correct option is 1. He saw the tendril of a creeping vine move very slowly towards grandfather and cross the veranda step to touch grandfather's feet. So option 1 is correct. Next, C. Where had grandfather worked for many years? So options are the Indian Revenue Service, second, the Botanical Gardens, and third, the Indian Forest Service. So the correct option is the third one, that is the Indian Forest Service. D number. Which trees did grandfather plant around his bungalow? So first one, limes, mangoes, oranges, guavas, eucalyptus, jacaranda and Persian lilac and a peepal tree. Second option, limes, mangoes, oranges, guavas, eucalyptus, jacaranda and the Persian lilac. And the third option is creeper vines, limes, mangoes, oranges, guavas, eucalyptus, jacaranda, the Persian lilac, ladybirds and caterpillars. So the correct option is number 2, that is lime, mangoes, oranges, guavas, eucalyptus, jacaranda and the Persian lilac. E number. Why does the author say peepal trees are great show off? And the options are, because there are peepal trees all over India and people sometimes leave offerings of milk and flowers beneath them to keep the spirits happy. Second option, because even when there is no breeze, their broad-chested, slim-waisted leaves will spin like tops, determined to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. And third option is, because ghosts lived in peepal trees where there was both board and lodging. So the correct option is the second one. Now let's see F. How do we know grandfather was fit? First option is, because even at about 60 he was a lean, active man who still rode his bicycle at great speed. Second, because he climbed up but could not get down from the jackfruit tree. Third, because he planted so many trees around his bungalow all by himself. So the correct option is the first one. Next, G. Why did ladybirds or caterpillars sometimes wander about on the tablecloth? Options are because grandfather came straight to the dining table after this work in the garden. Second, because grandfather loved both plants and animals and liked to keep them near. Third option is, so G number, correct option is third one, that is because grandfather wore his gardening clothes at meal times and they would wander off his shirt sleeves and onto the tablecloth. H number, what has the author said about the old people tree? Which of the following combination of sentences best summarizes the answer? So options are, you can read the option. So option 2 is the correct one. That is, the old people knocked down the brick walls of an abandoned outhouse with its vigorous growth. Grandmother wanted it cut down, but grandfather said they could always build another one. Gobind was pleased but frightened of resident ghosts, as no one left any offerings under the tree. The author decided the ghosts must have left in disgust to look for trees offering board and lodging. So now let's see the second question. So here you have to fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the words provided after the passage. So here you can read the entire passage and number is given there. So that one you have to find out in a correct option. So just see first one. So here first is that he. So here think is there. So think will change because here correct forms of the word we have to provide. So correct form will be think. It will be number 2 will be thought. So thought will be the correct option here. Second one, here break is there. So break. So which form will be the correct one? So option 2. So 2 will be the correct form. Broken. Then third one. The third number here stand is there. So which will be the correct form of stand here? So third one it will be first one, stood. Stood will be the correct form of the verb in number 3. Then you have number 4. So number 4 is here listen. So the correct form of the verb will be here listened. The third one will come. Okay, listened. Then fifth one is there. So fifth one is here. Here is there. So the correct form of the verb will be here could hear. Could hear will be the correct form of the verb. Then sixth one, hush is there, and the options are hushing is there, then hushed is there, and hush is there. So here the correct form of the verb will be hush, because here he did not like the. So this is a simple past tense. So when you make negative, then B1 will come, base form of the verb. So it will be hush only. Then next one, number 7, the correct option will be to knock. Third one will be the correct one. Then 8th number will be past tense, so it should be in third number, that is was. Then you see B number, choose the correct option to fill the blanks. Surprise, dash, the noise, the judge called for silence. So options are on, at, with. So the correct option will be at. So surprise, at. The next one, Ravi's parents are not happy, dash his behavior. So here options are for, by, with. So correct options will be with, happy with. Then next 3, the colonial congratulated the soldiers dash their victory. So beside, alongside, on. So option 3, on will be correct. Congratulated on. The next one, 4 number, the planet was seen dash the telescope. And options are outside, before, through. So correct option will be third one, through the telescope. The 5th will be, he is not afraid dash the consequences. And options are over, of, for. So afraid of. So second option is correct. Then 6th number, he rushed dash the class as he was late. So options are into, onto, in. So he rushed into. The first one will be the correct. Rushed into. 7 number, the school is famous dash its sports achievements. Options are of, for, beside. So famous for. So second option will be correct. Then dash being clever, he is brave. So options are despite, besides, and third one for. So second option is correct, besides being clever. So besides. Next one, C. Choose the correct option to join the following sentences without using and, but, or so. So here first one, she sells seashells. She sells them on the seashore. So here options are, first one, she sells seashells on the seashore. So second one, the seashells which she sells are found on the seashore. Third, she sells seashells which are on the seashore. So the correct option will be first one. She sells seashells on the seashore. So first option is correct. Then second one, why are you upset? Did someone scold you? So options are, you are upset having been scolded by someone. She asked him why he was upset and if he had been scolded. And third one, are you upset because someone scolded you? So the correct option will be third one. Third one, since it is a question sentence, it should be in a question only. So are you upset because someone scolded you? Then third one, she has not seen the message perhaps. She may have chosen to ignore it. And options are, perhaps she chose to ignore the message which she had seen. Second, she may either have not seen the message or chosen to ignore it. A third one, neither did she see the message nor ignore it. And the correct option will be the second one. Second one will be, she may either have not seen the message or chosen to ignore it. Next one, number 4, I often wake up late in the mornings. I am never late for school. And the options are, first one, although I often wake up late in the mornings, I am never late for school. Second option, I am sometimes late for school because I often wake up late in the mornings. Third one, I am never late for school because I usually wake up on time. So the correct option will be the first one. Although I often wake up late in the mornings, I am never late for school. Second one, number D, read each sentence with its instructions. Choose the correct answer from the options provided beneath each. So first one, I could not stop my teeth from chattering as it was very cold. So you have to use, instead of very, you have to use so. So options are, it was so cold that I could not stop my teeth from chattering. Second, it was so difficult to stop my teeth from chattering, it being cold. Third one, I could not stop my teeth from chattering, so it was very cold. So the correct option is first one. It was so cold that I could not stop my teeth from chattering. Second one, as soon as the vacation begins, my neighbor rushes to the seaside. So here you have to begin with no sooner. So let's see the options. So first one, no sooner does my vacation begin than the neighbor rushes to the seaside. Second, no sooner does the vacation begin than my neighbor rushes to the seaside. And third one, no sooner did the vacation begin when my neighbor rushed to the seaside. So second option is correct. That is, no sooner does the vacation begin than my neighbor rushes to the seaside. The third one, will you lend me the book tomorrow? Priya said her classmate. Here you have to begin with Priya asked her classmate if. So here you have to change into indirect speech. So the options are, first one, Priya asked her classmate if he would lend her the book the next day. Second, Priya asked her classmate if he would lend her the book tomorrow. Third, Priya asked her classmate if he will lend her the book the day after. So the correct option is the first one. First one, that is, Priya asked her classmate if he would lend her the book the next day. Question 4. But for Laila's support, the woman would have lost her job. So here you have to begin with had. So options are, had Laila supported her, the woman would not have lost her job. Second, had Laila supported her, the woman would have lost her job. And third one, had it not been for Laila's support, the woman would have lost her job. So the correct answer will be third one. Third one. So had it not been for Laila's support, the woman would have lost her job. Number 5, Herbert consulted his parents before accepting the job offer. So you have to begin with Herbert did not. So options are, Herbert did not forget to consult his parents before accepting the job. Second, Herbert did not forget to consult his parents before accepting the job. Third, Herbert did not consult his parents before accepting the job offer. So correct answer will be the second one. Herbert did not forget to consult his parents before accepting the job offer. Number 6. The tornado had been raging for several hours before people were moved to safety. So you have to begin with the people. And the options are, first, the people were moved to safety before the tornado had been raging for several hours. Second, the people were moved to safety only while the tornado had been raging for several hours. And third one, the people were moved to safety only after the tornado had been raging for several hours. So the correct option will be the third one. The people were moved to safety only after the tornado had been raging for several hours. The next one, 7. Put your tools away. The children may fall over them. So here you have to begin with list. So options are, put your tools away, list, the children may fall over them. Second, put your tools away, list, the children fall over them. Third, put your tools away, children let's fall over them. So the correct option will be number 2. So put your tools away, lest the children fall over them. The next one, that is the last one, number 8. Unless you begin now, you will never finish. So you have to use if instead of unless. So first option is, if you never finish, you must begin now. If you do not begin now, you will never finish. If you begin now, you will never finish. So the correct option will be the second one. If you do not begin now, you will never finish. So these were the specimen provided by the ICSE board. So similarly, questions will be asked to you. So you have to be really careful about it when you read the comprehension. So comprehension means to understand. So once you understand the passage, then only you will be able to solve the questions given to you. And rest, it is mostly from the prepositions, conjunctions, and especially from the grammar side. So be accurate, do more hard work, and you'll get full mark 40 out of 40.